Hey y'all, welcome to Unboxing Discovery by G. My name is Gina, and y'all, I got a little bit of a weird update for you. So I don't know if you've noticed or not, but I haven't had Trendsend on my channel since like July. Trendsend by Evereve, the subscription box. So I was a little curious about what was going on. I went to my subscription, I looked, I couldn't find where I had a subscription. I resubscribed. Nothing ever happened. I never got a box. So I emailed them and I said, hey, what's going on? I haven't gotten a subscription box from y'all in a while, and I was just wondering what was happening. It was something that maybe I was doing wrong, or what was happening. And they emailed me back today, y'all, and let me just read it to you. So this is from the care team, the Evereve care team. It says, "Hi Gina, thanks for reaching out. Unfortunately, we are unable to move forward with your Trendsend account at this time. If you would like to try our products, you are welcome to shop online at," and then it says evereve.com, or in store with us. Kindly, Trendsend support team. Okay, so that doesn't tell me why they won't move forward. It doesn't tell me what happened. Are they mad because I was sending too much stuff back? Was I too critical on their prices on my channel? I mean, is that fair that they can just up and say, oh, we don't want you as a client anymore for our subscription box? I'm a little confused on this, so I thought I would ask y'all's opinion. Has anything like this ever happened to any of y'all before? And what would you do about it? Would you just drop it and move on? Would you not shop at Evereve anymore? What would you do? I'm just a little perplexed, confused, taken back. I mean, I'm just a little amazed, because most companies will try to work with you and, try to get your business, and a subscription box, whether I send everything back or not, it was still making them money because they had to get the styling fee or the one thing I would purchase. So I'm just a little confused. Y'all comment below. Let me know your opinion on this. I've got to get some feedback on this. It's just kind of blown me away. So thanks for coming and checking out my little update here, and let me know what you think. Y'all, God bless.